Getac Video Solutions provides video and data management services for customers. So that means we provide body cameras and in-car video recording systems. As data is acquired, it's quite heavy in terms of volume, in terms of the amount of gigabytes, terabytes, even petabytes that need to be transferred. And that in the past has stressed customer systems, both from a human point of view, but also just from an infrastructure point of view. And so a lot of our data is stored in Microsoft Azure Government Cloud, and that allows us to basically have unlimited resources and be able to scale those services up and down. We do our capturing, storing, securing of data using a trusted platform, Windows 10. As we talk to customers about the Windows 10 platform these days, they see it as a huge, huge value because they know it.
The typical day for us is, putting out those theoretical fires, right? Everything is just massive, massive amounts of data. And to be able to have a system, there's no way a person could filter through all that. And the software solutions that are out there are absolutely critical for us and every police and fire department out there to do their jobs better and to do it faster. So having these Getacs laptops and tablets in the vehicles being Windows-based, it gives them the familiarity that they have with the device that's sitting at their desk.
So Windows to me is very comfortable. It's something that I know. It's something that I can take things I've learned in the past and apply it to the new. While Microsoft is transitioning and growing with their product, I can grow along with it without having to completely relearn all over again an operating system. And in the same way, our customers feel that level of comfort when they transition to a rugged device from Getac, that the partnership with Microsoft and their operating system solutions are there to meet their needs.